Hi, hello dear students. How are you all? I'm hoping everyone good. Okay dear students, in this video we are continuing the vocabulary of the first unit where we stopped in the previous video. So I'm hoping everybody can understand this and let's begin it. See, here we are getting a question. First, let us understand the question what he given here. I'm going to read it. Hope you are looking and understanding it very carefully. Given below are words that describe that positive or negative attitude of a person. Discuss them with your partner and put a tick mark against the positive qualities and a cross mark against the negative qualities. See students, what he have asked here. Basically, he given a list of words and we should find out what is the positive quality and what is the negative quality in this list, and we should give a tick mark to the positive quality and we should give a cross mark to the negative quality. That's our task to do now. So I'm going to read first thing. Sullen means bad tempered and angry and a silent. So the word sullen definitely describes a man's negative character. So that's why I have already given cross mark. I have already given cross mark for this word. And sneaky. Sneaky means basically some people do their work silently and they behave with the dishonest manner. So such a people we call sneaky person. So sneaky, the word describing about a man's negative character. So that's why I have already given cross marking. Next, exuberant. So exuberant means cheerful. So happy person. So definitely exuberant. The word describes a man's positive character. So I am going to give this tick mark. Okay. So I am hoping you are understanding all of this. So we are giving cross mark to the negative qualities and we are giving tick mark to the positive qualities. So you should understand the difference between them. Next, bossy. Bossy means dominated. So we can definitely see number of people, they are always trying to dominate others. So it's definitely describes negative quality of a person. So that's why I am going to give this cross mark. So I am going to give this cross mark. Next word, cautious. What is that? Cautious. Cautious means careful to avoid danger or risk. You know something, some people will behave always with the great knowledge. You know something, they won't accept to come dangerous into their life. So with their cleverness, they simply avoid all dangers and risky things in their life. So definitely the word cautious describes positive character of a man. So I am going to give this tick mark. Next word is imaginative. So imaginative means good at thinking of new and interesting ideas. So it is always a positive character and positive quality of a man. So I am going to give this tick mark. Next, observant. Observant means good or quick at noticing things. So some people will always observe around themselves very carefully because they have to know always something new in their life. So definitely observation is one of the best quality in a man. So that's why this word also describing positive quality of a man. That's why I am going to give us tick. Next, enthusiastic. Enthusiastic means showing a lot of interest and excitement about something. You know, some people are very curious to know about something, but they are very curious and they will get lots of excitement to do that things. So definitely enthusiastic also describes about a man positive quality. So I am going to give this tick mark. Next, outgoing. Outgoing means someone who likes outgoing to meet and talk to new people. So definitely some are interested to go out and meet some new people, and they want to make a their chatting with strangers. So maybe it is also one of the positive quality of a man, definitely. So I'm going to give this tip. Next, hearty. Hearty means behaving in a proud, unfriendly way. So some people always they maintain proudness in themselves. So that is not the way we behave. So we should always behave in a polite manner with everybody, so that we never forget. That will only give a good recognition by them, and everybody will shows towards us their affection and love and caring and everything. But proudness won't give all this from others. So I'm hoping definitely you can behave from onwards with a great and polite behavior with everybody. So hearty means these kind of people will behave with the proudness. So they always think about themselves, we are the one, no other people are cleverer than us. So that is not the way we think about. So hearty is a negative quality of a man. That's why I am going to give cross this word. Next, slovenly. Slovenly means lazy, untidy and careless. So we should not be careless with any work. We should do with every work with a great careness. So we sometimes we think about ourselves, only big things only we do with great careness, and small things will do carelessly. So that is not the way we think about, because today's works will decide our tomorrow. So we should keep concentrate to do each and every work in our life. That is very important. So here slovenly, it is describing negative quality of a man. So that's why I have given cross mark for that word. Next, obnoxious. Obnoxious means very offensive, unpleasant or rude. So it is also describing about a man negative quality. That's why I have given that cross mark. Next, stingy. Stingy means not generous, especially with money. You know, some people already we have discussed about generous. Generous means the person who is willing to spend his time with others, and if it is possible by him, definitely whenever the people are in difficulty with the economical problems, they will definitely do the favors them. But here the word stingy, the word describing not having any generous, especially with the money. So this kind of people won't give money to others. So that is the word stingy describing negative quality of a man. So I am going to give this cross mark. Next, idealistic. Idealistic means believing that one should live according to high standards and principles, even when they are in very difficult to achieve. You know something, some people keep in their life very great standards and principles. So whenever they feel very difficulty to achieve with them, they won't give up. So they maintain that kind of standards and principles in their life, and they will do and achieve their aims what they kept in their life. So such people we call them idealistic people. Idealistic people won't change their ideas. So what they kept first, they believe and they work for that. So they won't take any second thought. So idealistic people will behave in that way. So it is definitely describes a man's positive characters. So that's why I have given tick mark for that. Next, affable. Affable means friendly and easy to talk. So some people very easily they connected with others, and they maintain a good relation with others. So such a people we call affable persons. So definitely it is also one of the man's positive quality. That's why I am going to give as tick mark. Next, aggressive. Aggressive means the person who behaves with the great angriness. So this kind of nature will spoil sometimes our whole life. So we should not get anger frequently. So very rarely that is not the problem. So whenever we are showing frequently angerness from ourselves, definitely with that we can face a number of difficulties in our life. So definitely aggressive describes man's negative quality. So that's why I am going to cross it. Next, competitive. Competitive means trying very hard to be more successful than other people. You know something, some people take a decision in their life, so I just want to be always greater than others. So that is not the bad thing to think about them. So everybody wants to be first in their life. So it is definitely describes a man's positive character. So that's why I am going to take this. So we also always try to be a competitive person. So we should give a tough competition to the others, so that we never forget. Next, finicky. So finicky means too concerned with unimportant details and small things that you like or dislike. You know, some people in their life, they will always show their too much of concern with the unimportant things. That is not the way we think, so, and we behave. So we should, that is unnecessary point. So it is definitely a negative quality of a man. That's why I am going to cross it. So we should not keep our valuable time to think unimportant things. So that's why I have given cross mark this. Next, intrepid. So intrepid means willing to do dangerous things, fearless, brave. So it is very important for everyone. So intrepid means willing to do dangerous things. But what I would like to tell you here, so some people, whenever they see any dangerous works, they will get so fear about them and they won't show their interest to do and solve them. So definitely whenever they listen it is a dangerous work to do, they give up. So that is not the way we think and take a decision about that. So we should show our complete concentration to do difficult things also with the fearless and a great braveness. So I am hoping definitely you can learn this kind of a quality in yourself. Definitely it helps you a lot in your life and it makes your future great in your life. So I am going to give this right mark. So it is definitely describes a man's positive quality. So next, malicious. So malicious means very unkind and cruel, and it is trying to do harm to others. So it is unkind quality, and this kind of people will always try to do harms to others. So it is not positive quality of a man, it is a negative quality of a man. That's why I am going to cross it. Next, meticulous. So meticulous means very careful about small details and always makes sure that everything is done correctly. So the person who has meticulous quality in himself definitely will think about small things also in a great way, and also these people will behave, everything is done correctly in themselves. So it is positive quality of a man. That's why I have given tick mark. Next, logical. You know, logical means rational, reasonable and sensible. So definitely we need this. So that's why I am going to give tick mark, because that is also logical. The word describes a man's positive quality. Next, mean. Mean means selfish and kind. So we should not be a selfish person in life. So it is describes negative quality of a man. That's why I have given cross mark. We should not be a negative person. So we always willing to do favors others. So next, cultured. Cultured means having refined tastes and manners. So it is also describing a man's positive quality. That's why I am going to give it. We should know our culture and we should behave with others with a great culture. So this is the thing what I would like to teach you in this video, my dear students, and hoping you enjoyed this, and definitely you please take a good practice on this. And if you don't know any word meaning of this, definitely go with the dictionary and know about the meaning of that word, and then you will get a good clarity and good knowledge about the word fully. So I am hoping you can definitely do this, and until then we'll meet again in our next class. Until then, see you, bye.